Hi everyone. Have you ever noticed why you keep coming back to the same pattern again and again, no matter how hard you try to change your situations? This is only because there are unhealed emotions, traumas, pain, anger. These are stuck inside your body, and those are the emotions that keep attracting all those situations again and again, and you find yourself in a loop. Then, what is the solution? And the solution is very simple: healing. And in today's video I will basically talk about why healing is important and how you can yourself simply heal without taking any help from outside healer, because the inside healer inside you, the healer inside you, has all the capability to heal any kind of traumas, any kind of hurt which is there inside you. So let's start the video. First of all, why it is important to heal yourself? Very simple. The biggest gift of healing is that it makes you meet your true inner self. Now, what is that true self, or what is that true inner self? We all have that core self inside us, which is the basic, the self which is not pretending to be anything but the true nature of our own self. Basically, our soul. What is our soul? The simple characteristics of our soul is peace, joy, happiness, bliss, contentment. All those emotions, when we are experiencing, we are actually meeting our true inner self. So when we heal, when we release those emotions, negative emotions, we actually meet our true self, which is always there inside us. It's just that the hurt, the pain, all those things that has happened in our life, that has covered the layer. That's it. And when those hurt, when those dirt comes out, we actually get back to our true self. So this is the first gift. And the second most beautiful gift that healing does to you, or gifts to you, is basically it changes your vibration. And ultimately, life is all about vibration game, because law of attraction obviously teaches you everything is energy and everything is has vibration. So the moment you start healing all those negative emotions which is stuck inside you, you start slowly coming back to peace. And peace is the point where you feel so stable emotionally, and then you slowly, steadily, start going upwards in a very high vibration zone. So when you go in a high vibration zone, you will start keep on attracting again high vibrational things. So when all those dirt emotions, all those negative emotions starts coming out of your system, you basically starts to coming back at peace, and then eventually you move up to the high vibration zone. This is what actually healing gives to you. Now, when healing is such an important gift, then actually comes the important part: how we can simply heal ourselves without any help from outside healer is very simple. But the first thing which you have to understand is that you know healing is like healing is not about having any guilt, or healing is not about fixing anything. Healing is basically having the courage to to have a self reflection, to go inwards, to basically check inwards what is happening inside us for a long period of time. So many people have ignored their emotions, but if you have chosen to look inward and you have that capability to heal yourself, then why not healing? So first and the most important thing, you have to have that courage that I can heal myself and I will heal myself. This is the first intention anybody should have. Now comes the important part: how we can heal. Very simple. First step: sit back and just close your eyes and relax yourself for a few moments. Second, start having long breathings. You can have a very slow inhale and a very long exhale, so that you start basically relaxing all your body parts to the point you start feeling, feeling like sleepy or maybe drowsy, but you don't have to sleep. Basically, you have to relax all your body parts. Now, third, start thinking of any one particular incident or maybe that emotion, or maybe some, if some particular trigger is there, start thinking of that trigger. When you start thinking of that trigger, obviously you will focus on that particular situation or maybe that trigger. There will be some sensations inside your body. You will feel certain sensation inside your body part. Some body parts you will feel. You have to again check where is that sensation you are feeling inside, which body part you are feeling that sensation. Focus your attention on that particular body part. It is nothing, that sensation is nothing but your stuck negative emotion. Now just focus again on that stuck emotion. Now the next most important point, start releasing it out slowly and steadily. Start releasing that emotion, start releasing that sensation just by having a very simple normal breathing. You don't have to, you know you don't have to identify yourself with that particular emotion, that why this is happening to me, why life has given me this. Nothing. You just are there to heal yourself. You are healing your emotion, and with that only intention, start healing that, start releasing that sensation till the point you feel relaxed, till the point you start feeling relaxed. This is a very simple process, yet very powerful process. Everything powerful has nothing to do with its simplicity or complexity. The most powerful things are the most simple things, and you have to understand that this is how the biggest of the problems has taken away from somebody's life. So include healing in your life before you entering into a new year. I hope this video will help you. If you are somebody who's chosen to heal yourself, I have to tell you, you are way more courageous than anybody else. You are way more braver than anybody else. You will be gifted by universe a lot of beautiful things, a lot of miraculous, beautiful, wonderful, lovely things are waiting for you on the other side. Just come back to that vibration, and I hope we meet again with the new vibration and the new you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.